Racing time. Papaluch moving up is Mr. Noble to grab the lead. Then down on the inside is entry number 1 Reconstruction. Talon in between runners. Next in line Blue Jazz. Then comes Hello Gorgeous. Silver Valley moving up on the outside, and trailing the group is Jensen is Special. Heading towards the half mile pole, Mr. Noble leading the field by about 2 lengths. Reconstruction in second, racing in third Blue Jazz. Then comes Papaluch as they rounded the 600. Mr. Noble over Reconstruction in second, Blue Jazz in third, Silver Valley down in fourth, Papaluch as they race towards the 450. Mr. Noble still leading the field. Reconstruction is on the outside. Then moving up Blue Jazz, Silver Valley, and down the stretch they come. Mr. Noble still leading the field. This time by about 4 lengths of a Reconstruction. Blue Jazz with 100 meters to race. Mr. Noble strides away by about 4 lengths. And finally, the favorite, Mr. Noble. Hello, Gorgeous. Reconstruction. Then...
Okay, time for the race. A minute 21.4. 4 times natin, 7 and a fraction, followed by 23. 24 and a fraction on the third quarter.